Welcome, everybody. So today we're going to talk about these two phrases. These two phrases are, what do you like? And what's it like? What do you like? What's it like? You have to be careful because these two sentences are different. Do not use them the same way. They have a different meaning. The first one, what do you like, is the present simple, right? Using do plus a verb. What do you like? Like as a verb is our feeling, right? Like, love, hate. So if I say, what do you like? I can talk about these things. What do you like? I like pizza. I like Netflix. I like English. I like Teacher Mark. I like Singapore. I like Canada. I like blank, right? I'm trying to think about my heart. That feeling word. I like, I love, I hate. So those are our likes. And to ask that question, we say, what do you like? What do you like? I like. And then, of course, we can say no. What do you like? Oh, I like pizza, but I don't like English. I don't like Harry Potter. I don't like Netflix. I think it's boring. I think the shows are bad, right? That's I don't like. Okay? Do you like? I like. I don't like. What happens when we change to what's it like? What's it like? We're using an S. What's that S? The S is is. What is it like? What is it like? In this situation, I want you to tell me more. I want you to describe. I want you to describe the object and give me some more information about your opinion. Not what's it like? Yes, I do. No, 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 no. What's it like? I need you to give me that information. So, for example, pizza. If I'm talking about pizza, what can I say? Oh, I can say pizza is delicious, of course. It's cheesy, it's amazing, it's my favorite food, right? It's from Italy, it's one of the best foods ever. That is me describing pizza, telling you more about pizza. That's how we answer when we hear, what's it like? What's it like? It's okay. Or I could do my friend Harry Potter. This book, the Harry Potter books, have you read the Harry Potter books? They're quite nice. They're quite nice, the Harry Potter books. So for Harry Potter, I can say, oh yeah, Harry Potter, what's it like? It's a really good book. It's exciting. It's fun. It's one of my favorite series to recommend to young adults and even to adults. It's a really fun series. I recommend it. What's it like? Or, okay, Netflix. Recently, I've been addicted to Netflix. Netflix is a video service available in America and Singapore and some other countries. I like Netflix because it's very entertaining and it's very convenient. There are so many shows and movies to watch, and all I have to do is turn on my phone and watch them. It's very convenient, very entertaining, very fun for me. So, what's it like? It's entertaining, fun, interesting. Okay, last one, English. Your English. Whenever you go to English class, when you're watching this video, some of you haven't watched up to 3.5 minutes because you said, wow, this video is boring. Boring, boring, boring. So maybe you think, English, learning English is boring. Or maybe some of you say English is fun. English is fun. English is exciting to learn. English is interesting to learn. That's what we can say, right? What's English like at ULC? What's English like in your English class? Oh, yeah, it's fun, it's exciting, it's interesting. Always I'm sharing my opinion. Okay, so now I know I'm going to try to be tough, guys. I'm a sensitive person, so don't be too mean in the comments. Try not to be too rude in the comments, but you can let me know. Let me have it. Tell me, do you like Mark? You can say, no, Mark, I don't like Mark. Or yes, I like Mark. He's a good teacher, right? You can think, what's Mark like? What's Mark like? Maybe you say a positive adjective. You say, Mark is kind. Mark is funny. Mark is interesting. Or you can use a more negative feeling adjective. Mark is boring. Mark isn't a good teacher, right? That's describing Mark. So, what's he like? Okay, one more. I'll do Singapore. Of course, I always talk about Singapore. Singapore, I'll say, do you like Singapore? Do you like Singapore? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I love it. I hate it. What's Singapore like? Singapore, maybe, yeah, it's safe. It's beautiful. It's boring. Maybe. It's sometimes true. It is sometimes a bit boring. So that's it, guys. That's our do you like and our what's it like. So now your turn. This is your job. I want you to tell me about a person or a place that you know. And for the person, you can say, do you like them? Do you like him? Do you like her? What are they like? What is she like? What is he like? Right? Tell me about a person you know. You can also tell me about a place you know. For cities, we use the word it. So if I say, this city, do you like it? Do you like Singapore? Do you like it? Oh, no, I don't like Singapore very much. Right? What's it like? What's Singapore like? What's living in Singapore like? Do you like it? What's it like? Let me know. I'm so excited to hear, guys. But until then, that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next video.